Hello students, I am Alok sir. I am back with a new lesson. Today I am going to teach you the use of much and many with useful examples. Much and many is basically part of determiner and adjective. Before starting today's video, a gentle request to you. If you are new in our channel and you are not subscribed our channel till now, so please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for fresh notification, like this video and share to your friend. Let's start today's video. Much is the adjective of quantity and many is the part of adjective of number. I mean, much is always used with singular uncountable noun like material and abstract noun, water, feeling, patience, etc. These are uncountable, we cannot count them. And many is used with plural countable noun, common noun and collective noun like boys, students, books, etc. Generally, much and many are used with negative and interrogative sentence. Look at the examples. First, I haven't much money. Second, there is not much water in the well. Third, she hasn't much sugar. And fourth, have you much sugar? There are examples of much. Here, money, water, sugar, all are singular uncountable noun, therefore we use much for them. Now let's see the example of many. First, I haven't many books. Second, have you many friends? Third, Ram hasn't many bikes. And fourth, he hasn't many houses. Here books, friends, bikes and houses are plural countable noun, hence we use many for them. This is the most important rule about much and many. Much and many are not used with affirmative sentence before object. Look at the example. First, I know many person. Second, she has many friends. Third, you have much milk. And fourth, she wrote many stories. Here in all these examples, much and many is directly used before object in affirmative sentences, which is not correct grammatically. Now look at the next rule. We can use great deal of, a great number of, a good many of, a lot of, plenty of, a large number of, enough of are used before object in the place of many in affirmative sentences. Other than the great deal of, a great, a good deal of, plenty of, enough of, a lot of are used before object in the place of much in affirmative sentences. Let's try to understand with examples. I have a lot of friends, not many. Clear? I have a lot of water, not much. Okay, I hope you are clear. Now let's see another rule. If much and many are used with as, how and to, they can used with subject and object. Look at the example. She has too many cars. Second, how many cars you have? And third, how much milk do you want to drink? And fourth, you can take as much water you need. I hope